Okay, I just wanted to show the mechanism which was faulty here in the CD player, which confused us for quite a while. So what was happening is that the CD player wasn't shutting. This was a more unusual problem, and so it would get here and then it would stop and it would knack. And what was happening is that as it closes here, right at the very end. You can see now it's moving. It moves this block here up the laser so that the laser actually comes up and closes. And this was happening here. It should happen right at the end, and this was happening much earlier than expected, so it was blocked. And the problem was that you can see this little channel here where there's this small plastic knob is fitting. So this knob actually here had been slightly knocked out and was running alongside the channel. And what happens is that you can see that as it runs down the channel here towards the very end before it shuts, it will move it to the side, which then causes the laser device to move up. And so to actually fix this was actually quite difficult. So usually this part here you can actually pull out and you can open it, but this was a bit stuck. So I had to wiggle this quite a bit to pull this plastic part out. You can see if I push in these knobs to the side, I can actually pull this out right now. And I got this piece out, and then I could see the track where it was supposed to be running, and you could see that it was actually running along the side because there was a little bit of grease here on the right hand side where it was running where it wasn't supposed to. And once I got this out, you could actually see how the mechanism works inside, and then I literally just closed, took this tray and put it back inside, and aligned up this little channel, and everything is now working. So that was a very unusual case. So what happens is I must have bumped the tray. I must have knocked this little knob, which is just moving across here now. I must have knocked that knob out of this channel. And that caused the rather unusual effect in that the CD tray didn't actually close. And that was because in here, this mechanism, which is for putting the laser up, this was hitting the cogs inside here at an early stage. So it was like knocking at the outside. Anyway, I hope this helps. So that was something quite unusual. The answer is to just wiggle and bend until you can pull this the tray out, and then you'll see the mechanism inside and you'll see what the problem is.